Hello guys, welcome back to HV videos. Today, Ashchurch. Yeah, located at on the Great Western Main Line. So you'll be seeing this from cross country, Great Western Railway. And you may be seeing some Southwest or Arriva. I'm not sure yet. So I'll see you when that train arrives. Now passing through, we have this cross country class 170. Sorry, just gonna put my hand up. Yeah, here it is. Passing through, going to Cardiff Central. On the front it's 277 it looked like. Going to Cardiff Central. Next up for that one will be Cheltenham Spa, where I film the most. So that train arrives. Now passing through, there's going to be a train, but it is starting to rain, so I'm in the shelter. I heard the horn. It definitely is coming this way. I think it's passing through. There's another two-tone. That's class 170 going to Nottingham via Derby. For another double pair on the rear was 121 C2, I think. It goes to Nottingham via Derby. Stopping. Okay, now coming in. Right, I don't know. You can never tell if these trains coming are passing through or stopping. So there is one coming. Just gotta hang in for it because we do. Because we do. I think this one may be stopping, so stop. No. I think this one may be stopping because it's taking a while to come. As you can see, it's down there. Okay, yeah, this one is passing through. It's a Voyager. As you probably would have guessed. On the front is and there's another one coming on the other side. Looking like a Voyager as well. Sorry if the camera was shaky then. The turbulence of that train just blew me away. Stand, Mason, get back. These trains just make turbulence and you can fly down the platform. Mason, plans fly down the platform. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, it's passing through. Get back. Well, it could be stopping. Again, I do not know. Okay, it's now stopped raining. On the front one is well, how am I meant to get these numbers? Trains whiz past like lightning bolts. In a minute, I will have to end this video because next we will be at Evesham train station. And there is that train just over there as it shrieks into the distance. Okay, so guys, today I was joined by my mum and my angry brother. Smile! Over there, who's sticking his tongue out because that's my brother. Today this is filmed at Ashchurch train station. I'll see you in the next video, which will be at Evesham train station. Hope you enjoy. At Evesham train station, it will be quite short because there's hardly any traffic. And after Evesham, we'll be at Woolgate Street, I think. Yeah, so see you in the next video.